Alright, so here's kind of the completed product. Sorry, it's taken me just a little while to get an actual video of it, but it's been dusty and he's been driving the son of a bitch around, and so we finally got it all washed up today. Yeah, it looks pretty good. The new wheels and tires, I really like how they turned out. Color and everything looks pretty good with the door jamb, and then we finally got everything all polished up. That was a pain in the ass, but really like all the paint match. Got it all waxed and shit as well, so but yeah, it's a good looking son of a bitch.